Lecture Radical Ideas Are on the Rise, 2022. Neologisms. New word expressions are a method that has proven useful, sometimes called free word association. The number of concepts available in language suggests that not all ideas, in fact, very few of all possible ideas, have been thought so far in language. An example of this is that John Milton may have thought of the concept of the derivative. The derivative is an original concept which I discovered concerns not just the original ideas of the calculus, but also universal diagrammatics, analogous to the coherent nature of math, which can have variations. Another radical concept only loosely connected to neologisms is the idea of a technological black box, for example, a box using mechanical or waveform effects to create a surprising, sometimes subtle effect for the viewer. An example of this is the theoretical luck ray, which might be created by studying the wave properties of four-leaf clovers. Clovers are actually commercially available from a specific farm in China. Use of more than four leaves is supposedly linked to higher complexity. Another recent concept which is associated with neologisms is the concept of exponential efficiency. It was found in A Theory of Everything that exponential efficiency reflects both the material, energetic, and surprisingly also the abstract domains of the theory. The properties of high efficiency and eventually hyperefficiency can be linked through a common set of equations based on the TUE. Expanding the equation yields a wide set of alternate formats. The first step towards a post-coherent systemology. The justification for this step is that the TUE is merely the results equation. If we do not desire only results, the number of equations multiplies into neatly organized equation towers. However, the results formula serves to unify them, and these other equations may also unify. It begs the question of whether the TUE is merely, by some standard, merely an example of an average successful theory. Some of the outputs of the TUE, like the black box, however, are extremely exciting. Individual categories of the TUE, which may incidentally scale to any number of dimensions, may represent mathematically separable increments of a coherent collection of technologies, each of which potentially possesses a distinct waveform already discovered which has meaningful effects. Here is a chart showing a representation of the distinct categories of technology which emerge in a 25-category TUE. So in saying neologisms, new word combinations are an initial key. However, the study is potentially more scientific, and everyone has a right to take ideas forward even if they are not as basic as a neologism. When I first wrote this short lecture, I was inspired by a question on Quora asking about why so many people are interested in radical ideas. Well, if it was obvious that people other than me were involved in what is called ambitious symbolic behavior, it would make it more clear that radical ideas are being given the level of intellectual authority they deserve. Thank you.